Right now, there is a lot of noise. Ukraine war, Middle East tensions, rupee falling, dollar falling, gold and silver climbing, Indian equities remaining flat, trade deals, tariffs, and so on. Any channel you take, any newspaper you take, you feel something in the world is always wrong. But I'm here to ask you to take a pause for a moment. Looking at life and investments from a 20-year perspective, most of what's happening now will actually look like noise. Think about the last 20 years. We have seen wars, financial crisis, pandemics, dot-com burst, political uncertainty, interest rate shocks, and whatnot. If you take any investable country, US, UK, or China, or Europe, last 20 years, investors have actually compounded their wealth. Long-term investors have compounded their wealth. Of course, the journey was never smooth, but time absorbs most of these shocks. Markets don't move in straight lines. Our heartbeat also doesn't. Now, does this mean that you put all your money in equity and wait for a long time and let it compound? That is not what I am saying. No. Take Japan, for example. For decades, their equity returns were flat. Time alone doesn't guarantee returns if risks are not managed very well. Long-term investing is not about prediction, it is a lot about preparation. And that preparation is called asset allocation. Equity for growth, debt for stability, gold and silver for cushioning, and global equities for diversification. This is exactly what Boglehead's investing guide teaches us as well. What does it say? It asks us to invest in a market index, keep costs low, diversify our portfolio, and most importantly, stay invested for a very long time. Friends, these are even more important when things are not going very well or there is a lot of noise. Especially when there is a lot of noise is when these principles are even more important. Fear is very expensive. Answer to that is actually our discipline. The calm, disciplined investor just goes about his or her own business by keeping the head down, doing the SIP, do portfolio rebalancing yearly once, invest at least 10% of what is being earned, and do not take any long-term debt. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, remember this. In 20 years, all these news would probably not be even registered in your head. These will be just background noises. What matters really though is our discipline. Keeping our fear out and investing with confidence, with discipline is what matters. Let us stay invested.